If you've ever struggled with reeling in a big catch, you know how frustrating it can be. Here are the 5 best electric fishing reels I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Shimano Plemio 3000 Big Game. Let's kick things off with the Shimano Plemio 3000 Big Game. Priced at $272.36, this reel immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and high-strength resin frame. If you're looking for a durable reel that can handle big game fishing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Plemio has a gear ratio of 3.6, which means you can quickly retrieve your line and reel in those big fish without much effort. With a maximum drag of 10 kilograms, it gives you the control you need during a fight. Plus, the ambidextrous design means it's comfortable for both left and right-handed anglers. While it weighs only 0.6 kilograms, it's still tough enough to handle challenging conditions. Now, some people complained about its price point, saying it feels high for an entry-level electric reel. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about fishing and want something that lasts while delivering performance, this investment could save you from frustration down the line. This is perfect for you if you're a big game angler looking for reliability without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're just starting out and prefer a more basic setup. For what you get, the value is solid. Now, if the price of the Plemio bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, offering a budget-friendly alternative without sacrificing quality.
Product number 2, the Daiwa Leo Blitz S500. The Daiwa Leo Blitz S500 priced at $340.76. This one stands out with its rust-resistant design and impressive winding power. If you're looking for a reel that can handle various fishing conditions, this could be your go-to. The Leo Blitz has a gear ratio of 2.8, which allows for a smooth and steady retrieval, making it easier to catch larger fish. It has a maximum drag force of 10 kilograms, so you can trust it will hold up during a tough fight. With a special high-powered brush motor, it efficiently transfers power to the gear for quick line winding. The reel weighs 740 grams, which is manageable for long fishing trips. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're in freshwater or saltwater, the rust-resistant feature is a lifesaver for durability. Now, I'll be real with you. Some users have commented on its slightly heavier weight compared to other models, but for me, it's a minor issue considering the stability and power it provides. This is perfect for you if you often fish in diverse environments and need a reliable reel. Skip this one if you prefer something ultra-light for easy handling. Overall, it delivers solid value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious anglers looking for advanced features.
Product number 3, Daiwa Tanacom 1000 Dendo Fishing Reel. Coming in at number 3 is the Daiwa Tanacom 1000, priced at $760. This reel really impressed me with its advanced features, especially the new LCD display that makes programming a breeze. If you're serious about deep-sea fishing, this is worth considering. The Tanacom 1000 offers a variable speed power lever control, which allows you to adjust the speed based on the type of fish you're targeting. It also features automatic stop and jigging functions, which can be a game changer when trying to attract fish. The line counter and depth memory help you track your fishing patterns, making your trips more efficient. This is essential for anyone looking to maximize their time on the water. However, some users have noted that the setup process can be a bit complex. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial learning curve, the benefits you gain from its features far outweigh the hassle. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced angler looking for technology to enhance your fishing trips. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward reel that's easy to use right out of the box. For the tech savvy, it offers great value. Now, if the complexity of the Tanacom 1000 sounds like a hassle, the next option might be right up your alley with its user-friendly design.
Product number 4, Shimano 17 Plays Electric Reel. The Shimano 17 Plays Electric Reel is available for $472.58. I was drawn to its lightweight design and effective drag system. If you're looking for a reliable reel for spinning that won't wear you out, this one is a solid contender. This reel has a gear ratio of 5.1, which is impressive for quick line retrieval. With a maximum drag force of 22 pounds, you can confidently tackle larger fish without worrying about losing them. Its weight of 21.3 ounces makes it comfortable to handle for long periods, and it can hold a good amount of line. Here's why this matters for you. The combination of strength and lightweight design means less fatigue and more successful catches. But I did find some users mentioning that it's not as durable as they had hoped. Here's the thing. While it may not be as rugged as some high-end options, for casual to moderate anglers, it performs very well. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight spinning reel that packs a punch. Skip this one if you're after a heavy-duty option for extreme conditions. For its price, it's definitely a smart choice. Now, if you're looking for something even more powerful, the last reel on my list is designed for serious trolling. Product number 5, Daiwa Sea-Power 800-1200. Let's talk about the Daiwa Sea-Power 800-1200, priced at $799.29. This reel is specifically designed for trolling and is built with high power in mind. If you're into serious ocean fishing, this one's built for you. With a maximum drag force of 66.1 pounds, it can handle some beastly catches without breaking a sweat. The gear ratio of 2.1 might seem low, but it means you'll get more torque when reeling in massive fish. It's also designed to wind at 23.2 inches per crank, making it efficient for deep drops. Here's why this matters for you. If you're aiming for big game fishing, this reel gives you the strength and reliability needed to land those trophy fish. However, some anglers have pointed out that it's heavier than other models. Honestly, if you're primarily fishing from a boat, that shouldn't be a massive issue, as the power it provides is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a serious angler chasing larger species. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight reel for quick trips. For the performance it offers, it's a great investment. And there you have it. Each reel has its strengths and weaknesses, perfect for different fishing styles. We've covered the Shimano Plumeo 3000, Daiwa Leo Blitz S500, Daiwa Tanacom 1000, Shimano's 17 plays, and Daiwa Sea-Power 800/1200. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Daiwa Tanacom 1000 because of its advanced features that truly enhance your fishing experience. On the other hand, I'd avoid the Shimano 17 plays if you're looking for something super rugged. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.